Now coming to the side part, we have one more strategy to create, for which I will use this profile contouring operation after this pocketing operation. By using the same tool diameter, let me select the bottom face as this plane, then the contour as the entire contour, because it has to travel the entire side of this particular workpiece to remove the material which is additional as per the rough stock. I will show the rough stock how it looks like and what area which we are removing. If you see, I am trying to remove the material which is additional on top of the rough stock. That is the reason which we have to be very careful while defining the rough stock, because the additional material, as much we have, the machining time will get increased. So once we select this contour, we will select the top surface of it, and I have given levels as 10. Number of levels means the number of levels of machining which will try to remove in 10 levels, as like pocketing and facing has been done like earlier. So let me put, it's up to the tool definition, we can make it approach and retract. Then approach is 50 and retract is 50. Let me simulate. So this is how the operation will try to address. Let me show you by simulating once. So once I try to simulate with the rough stock, let me unhide this. You will see the observation of the entire model of the workpiece, how it looks like. So there will be a small bits of machining parts which are not removed, but it will go and fall directly outside. But we should not directly remove in between, because there will be a lot of challenge with respect to the tool to go inside and remove. That is why what we will do, we will try to give some offset of the tool, and first we will remove little outside material, then we will give the one more pass. So what, in a simpler way, I will just copy and paste, and the first operation and second operation both are same. The first operation I will just give an offset of 8 mm from the contour, so that it will try to remove this material little in the first level, then it will try to remove the remaining material in the second level. So this is how we need to strategize the programs. So let me run the entire simulation. Now we cannot see any bits of the rough stock available. So this is the final finished component.